Volvo Cars launches EVA to ensure car safety for all genders. Volvo Cars found that women are more likely to be injured in a car crash as male crash test dummies are used as the standard by the industry, hoping to make cars safer for everyone and not just the average male. It launched Equal Vehicle for All initiative, wherein it released data for automakers to study and take necessary precautions. Volvo's Care Key to let users set a limit on car speed. Swedish luxury automaker Volvo announced vehicles starting 2021 will come with a Care Key that lets users set speed limits on vehicles when powered on with it. This follows the automaker's recent announcement that it will limit top speed of all vehicles starting 2020 to 180 kmph. Volvo had also announced a camera monitoring system to detect drunk or distracted driving. Jaguar wins case against Chinese firm selling copycat of EVA. Tata Motors Jaguar Land Rover has won a landmark case against China's Jiangling Motors, which was selling a copycat of its Range Rover Evoque model. A court ruled that all sales and production of Jiangling's Land Wind must stop immediately and Jaguar Land Rover be paid compensation. It said that Land Wind had 5 specific features that were directly copied from Evoque.